Andy from Greek's Garage here. Today I was driving my Yukon and the service airbag light came on. So I'm going to show you a quick fix on how to fix that. Okay, so right here we got the service airbag and the light popped on right here. So if you live in an area where you get a lot of snow or live next to the ocean where you get a lot of salt corrosion, most of the time it's going to be your front airbag sensor, which is located underneath your front bumper. But I live here in California, so I don't have that problem. So the next spot you're going to want to look for is going to be right under the passenger seat. Okay, so once you pull your passenger seat all the way forward, you're going to pull this plastic cover off, and then you'll be able to get to your wire harness, which is located right here. So there's a little tab right here that you have to pry with a little screwdriver, and it should slide right out. And here's the problem we're having right here. This black wire came undone from the connector, which is causing the airbag light to go on. Okay, you can see right here next to the yellow wire, that's where the black wire is supposed to be. Okay, so what I'm going to do is push the pin out from the other side and it should slide right out. Okay, here's the pin pulled out, and if it focuses here, you can see right there is where the wire was crimped onto the pin. So instead of crimping it again, what I'm going to do is solder the wire so this won't happen again. Okay, now that we soldered the wire back into place, we just put everything back together like it was. All right, fingers crossed. Let's see if this actually works. Alright, no more airbag lights. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please share, like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.